Hello and welcome to HTML5 QuickStart. This is Tutorial 7, HTML5 box model borders. Let's look at some of the borders that we can have for our boxes. Here we see a large variety of borders, and notice the kind of border it is told here. This is a solid, this is a double, a groove, a ridge, an inset, and an outset. And some of the borders, how detailed they are, depend upon the color that you choose for them. Let's look at the code as to how we might do this. First thing I'd like to point out is down here on this part of the code, what we have are paragraphs. And if you notice, we have a different ID for each of these paragraphs. And then the other thing, notice we have a B tag for bold. This starts the bold. The /B ends the bold. Solid, double, groove, ridge, inset, and outset, those are all going to be bold. After that, it's no longer going to be bold. Just to verify that, let's go back here. And if you see, they're bold, okay? They're bold here. All right, so that verifies the bold. So effectively what we've done here is we've just created some paragraphs, and we've given each of them a unique ID and some comments about them. Now the next thing that I want to point out here, what we have, is if we go up here, this is how we're going to set up our paragraphs. All of them are going to have the same width, all of them are going to have the same padding, all of them are going to have the same margin, the same background color, the same font family, and the same font size, 140%. So any of them that have the paragraph tag, which are all of them, will all have these conditions. Okay, let's look and see what else we have here. This is the part that does the magic. Now what I've done is that I've put the CSS instruction all on one line. Since essentially what I'm doing here, I have a border, 10px solid gray. This is the type of border. And then this one has another border. Notice that each of these have IDs. This is the #P1, and that's for this one here. This is a solid border. So what I do is I put in solid. Here for the other border, I put in double. And of course I change the colors of each of them to make them interesting. And this is part of my styling, and this is what styles each of the borders individually. And if I look at it, I can sort of look at them together. This is hiding some of the text here, but hopefully you get the idea. And now you can relate, like the first one here, this is a solid gray, that's that one up there. This is double red, that's that one there. The green groove, that one there, and then so on. So this will hopefully show you a relationship between the output and the code that creates that particular output. Borders can be very cool when you're designing web pages. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.